What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at a trade I took on AUDCHF that just recently closed. Also, before we break down this trade, just make sure you smash that like and subscribe button if you find anything helpful in this video. It really helps me out and also with the YouTube algorithm and spreads my videos to people who could need them. So just make sure you do that. It's free and it costs nothing and it helps everyone out. So if we look into the past, we can see that AUDCHF was in a pretty easy to identify downtrend, and then we started creating this level right here. So since we were in a downtrend, all I was waiting for was price to break structure and confirm that structure break with a retest, which we got right here with this. You can see this is where my entry is. We got this retest right here, so I went ahead and took my trade right there, and you can see that my take profit was set at the most recent level that happened before this structure break right here. So you can see this was the most recent level, so that's why my take profit is in that area. This was a very simple trade. I believe, I could be wrong, but I believe it netted me about 13 pips. It was a very easy scalp. Yeah, 12, 13 pips, give or take. So this was just a really quick trade. You know, I was on a really small time frame, had all of my confirmations lined up, went ahead and took my trade at a 1% risk, and you can see how I netted 12 pips in profit right there off the 5-minute time frame. This was a super simple trade. As always, you guys have probably guessed by now what my style of trading is. I like to wait for the trend to end, wait for a structure break, and then get in on that confirmed structure break, telling us that the trend is now going to go the opposite direction. And usually my take profit is at the next level that is relevant to the structure break, or if it's a reversal pattern, it's usually at the start of that formation. So with that being said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And I will see you guys in the next video.